Welcome to how to earn money through ChatGPT tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money by making email affiliate marketing. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So what is email affiliate marketing? If you got a course to sell or if you got social media accounts that you want to share and let people know about your course or about the thing that you want to market using an email, that's what we call email affiliate marketing. So you can easily use ChatGPT to make you emails that you can send to people to market your course or your social media account. So I wrote ChatGPT that I have a course about coding in Python that I want to market through an email. The name of the course is Coding Hero for Beginners and the name of the teacher is Sam Link. It's a perfect course for people from 13 to 19 who wants to learn coding from absolute zero. Make me a good email to send it to market my course. And this is what ChatGPT wrote me. So he wrote me the bullet points and everything you need for copywriting in emails to share the thing that you want to market to people. So let's take a fast look at what ChatGPT made. Are you or someone you know aged 13 to 19 and interested in learning how to code from scratch? We have the perfect opportunity for you. Introducing Coding Hero for Beginners, a comprehensive, beginner-friendly Python coding course designed to take you from zero to hero. So as you see here, ChatGPT made me a good email that you can manipulate and change as you like. And in this way, you can save your time for making this email and you can save your money from getting a copywriter to make you this type of email. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.